Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so by using your credentials. After logging in and then accessing your account from within, you will be taken to the home page. Now from the home page, if you wish to delete your Netflix account completely, tap on your account icon at the top right corner. From the account icon, tap on Account. And now you will be taken into your account settings page. From this page, scroll all the way down and you will find the Delete Account option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Go ahead and tap on the confirmation button and you will be asked to enter your account password. After entering your account password, you will also be asked to finalize your confirmation by checking the link that is sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find a link or a verification code within that you can use in order to delete your Netflix account completely. Once you go through with this process, you still have about 1 or 2 weeks left, by which you can log back into your account and cancel the deletion process. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to delete your account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.